Messing with Delta Force settings got your game acting weird? Learn how to easily reset your configurations back to default and start fresh for optimal performance or troubleshooting. Resetting your settings in Delta Force can be a great way to troubleshoot issues caused by incorrect configurations, or simply to get back to a baseline if you've experimented too much. The exact method can vary slightly depending on how the game stores its settings. So what you want to do is, from the in-game menu, first go to Settings. There you'll have two ways. The first one is holding down the R key on your keyboard. After a second or two, a prompt will show up asking if you want to reset all game settings. The other option is clicking on the reset button down by the bottom left corner. This will also result in a prompt asking for confirmation. In both instances, select Reset. And like that, you'll have reset all game settings to default. And that's about it.
If you found this video helpful, be sure to go on and hit the like and subscribe buttons. That's a small action from you that helps make a big difference for us. And as always, feel free to comment your experience down below. See you soon! Bye bye!